Yep. We're back. Yep. Market's looking bad. Bitcoin's down again. Down below 35,000. Ethereum's down 7%. Everybody's pissed the hell off, putting out their bullcrap videos about is this the end? Is this the end? Crying about the federal government and all of what's going on in the financial sector. Talking about the stock market, the S&P 500. Talking about how these regulations that are coming are going to mess up everything. And everybody's running for the hills. They're running. Look at that. Solana off 12%. Terra Luna off 4%. Dogecoin off 4%. Polkadot off 7%. Avalanche off 9.57%. Shiba Inu just taking a whooping, why don't you? Okay? And a lot of folks are sitting up here crying. I lost all my money. Oh, I just don't. I wish I'd never done this. This is terrible. And I don't want to do this. I'm pissed off. You're pissed off about what? I'm pissed because I listened to you and I listened to all these other people saying I was going to make all this money. And now I've lost all my money. You know what? Let me tell you something. Okay. Listen to the whole freaking video. You know, I've noticed that there's a lot of people that gets to listening and they just stop listening somewhere about a minute in, 2 minutes in. If you don't want to understand about what's going on with the blockchain technology, then maybe you shouldn't invest in it. If you're not willing to listen to the whole video, maybe you shouldn't even listen to it at all. Why did you click on the button if you don't want to learn something? There's a reason why you're losing money. If you're losing money in the crypto market, you probably would have lost money in the stock market. You probably would have lost money trading bonds. You would have lost money doing options. You would have lost money doing real estate because you just can't seem to get off of page 1 of chapter 1. Folks, it's a long distance run. It's not a short sprint to the mailbox. It's a day in, day out process. It's a long haul process. It's a acquire assets process. It's a hold on and understand what you're buying process. So what? Avalanche is down 9%. So what? Shiba Inu's down almost 10%. So what? Bitcoin is below 35,000. So what? Stop crying. Oh my God. This is your chance to get all the coins that you didn't have before the shit blew up. Okay? Y'all sitting around here didn't want to buy it when it was $1,000, $2,000, $4,000, $5,000. When it got to $8,000, oh, that's too much. When it got to $10,000, oh my God. When it got to $20,000, when it got to $30,000, I quit. Then it went to 60. Now it's all the way back down to 35, and everybody's like, oh, this is terrible. No, it's not. This is your opportunity. And I just can't stress enough that you've got to look at this thing from the long haul perspective. Don't be deceived by people that are going to scare you. Listen to the people who know how to make money. We've got another video on this topic on this channel. If you're not a subscriber, please like and subscribe if you want to hear the real deal. Okay? Folks, we are in a win-win-win situation. What do I mean by that? Check out our video about 3 reasons why you should ignore the 2022 crypto crash. Check it out. We can't lose. How can you lose if the banks are buying crypto? How can you lose if the big companies are buying crypto? How can you lose if the wealthiest people in the world are buying crypto? Check that video out. Like, subscribe so you can get the real information, okay? Bitcoin down 2.8%. Oh, you're gonna lose all your money. If you just don't be quiet, everybody that listens to you is gonna lose all their money. You know what? The mountain might be tall. It might be steep. But for those who decide to go ahead and climb it, when they get to the top, they're always looking down on the people who never, ever decided to climb the mountain. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share. This is Crypto Big Boss, and I'll catch you on the next one.